Well, looks like the Comanche is getting closer to being back together. We had hit a tree at one point, so that's why I was welding that back up. I changed out the radiator, so the radiator was at a very extreme angle prior. We had a broken radiator end on one of the sides where the actual inside welds actually came apart and broke, so I did a shorty, but definitely thick enough to handle the LS1 power. So went ahead and did a standing one, so it's actually pretty much vertical. I still have a few more straps I have to weld, some more brackets on underneath here to make sure these things don't slide and can't move around, and I need one more cap on this one. But otherwise we are getting closer and closer back together. And then just for the fun of it, because I just got one of these, I installed a carbon winch down in there. So this is a 15,000 pound carbon winch. Kind of hard to see, but it's tucked up in there. So we're going to test it out and see how this thing does. If we need any recoveries, and we'll kind of get back to you on that one, let you know how it works. But here she goes, getting back to her glory, getting ready to take her out this next weekend coming up. See you guys later.